Well, they did it, and I don't know why, but RGB fans can now be upgraded with disco effect bands. You don't know what I mean? Well, you can personalize these GIM RGB fans with 3 different wraparound bands. And if you think that is weird, come along for the ride. This is... Let's face it, RGB lights are just cool to look at. But what if you don't have the cash to buy a fancy case with those pre-installed beauties? Well, let me tell you, GIM has affordable RGB PC components that we can all afford. What if I got one of them there motherboards that don't support the ARGB pin? No worries, my curious friend, because inside this box there is a control box that gives you all that greatness of rainbow effect, and it receives its power straight from your SATA cable. Pulse width modulation, or otherwise known as PWM, yes, has that too. But wait, what else is in the box? Well, it also contains 3 most cool and quiet GIM premium PC case fans, mounting screws, a control box, a remote control, 3 sets of personalization bands, a manual, an adhesive back foam mounting pad, wires, and a tool to assist in installing those personalization bands. Let's see if we can't set this up and cue the music. Now these fans will work just fine with a SATA cable powering the control box. However, if you want PWM, there is a separate cable included with a 4-pin header to control your speed. And what is this? GIM also has a RGB 24-pin ATX power extension cable. No freaking way! I have to see what this baby's all about. Looks like it has a control box similar to the fans, that it also connects to the SATA cable. Woohoo! This is a modder's dream. Make sure you absolutely check out the links in the description so you can purchase some of these beauties if you want. Maybe hit the like button while you're there, or even leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Sincerely, Modstek.